밤 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going 은 언제나 너에게 going.
Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Claudia Belenica. I majored in accounting technocrat Indonesian University. In this video, I'm in discuss syntactic, semantic, pragmatic. Accounting can be defined as an information system that produce report to stakeholder in a company regarding the economic activities carried out by the company and the condition of the company. Accounting itself has various processes, including identification, measurement, recording, and communication of economic information that can be used for assessment and decision making by user of the information. Accounting can be understood as a link between a company's economic activity and decision making by creating a processing and communication system that summarizing a lot of company information into a form that is easier to understand. Accounting information can reduce uncertainty in decision making by user. Of accounting data can generally be grouped into two groups, namely internal user and external user. External user are investor or potential investor, including buyer of shares or bonds, creditors or borrowers of bank funds, supplier and other users such as employees, financial analysis, stockbrokers, government. Related to tax. BAPEPAM related to company going public. If accounting is referred as a technology, accounting can be defined from to achieve as a body of knowledge and as a practice or profession. As a body of knowledge, accounting can be defined as a body of knowledge that study and engineering of providing service in the form of quantitative financial information of organization, unit in a particular country, environment, and how to convey, report the information to interest parties to be used as a basic for making economic decision. In a narrow sense, as a process, functions or practice, accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, validating, measuring, recognizing, classifying, combining, summarizing, and presenting basic financial data that occur from events, transactions, or operational activities of an organization unit in a certain way to produce relevant information for interest parties. Two important keywords in the definition are engineering and in a certain manner. Accounting will have a real role if the information product by accounting can control the behavior of economic decision makers to act towards achieving the country's social and economic goals. One of the economic goals of a country is the efficient allocation of economic research. Financial reporting as a national system must be careful engineered to automatically control the allocation through the prevailing market mechanisms. Automatic control can be achieved through accounting standard, certain method, certain method as the end result of the engineering process. The question is which understanding can be used to from a basic accounting theory. For different purposes, the understanding of accounting as science and technology can both be used with their respective consequences. The figure below illustrates the choice and the consequences. The position of basic accounting theory in the broad scope of accounting theory and contemporary problem can then be described below. With an understanding of basic accounting theory, other domains or topic of accounting theory that are development and that are more abstract and higher can be more easily understood because there is a reference for a comparison. Basic accounting theory becomes a starting point, a foothold, or an entity point that explore various high theoretical as the overall from the accounting theory literature. Once again, without basic accounting theory, learning accounting theory will be trial and error. Likewise, learning accounting theory from contemporary things without and fundamental foundation will only produce accounting research students who are like shallow contemporary ethics. Semantic, systematic, and pragmatic accounting theory level with example. The semantic level as achieved in communication theory is divided into three. 1. Semantic accounting theory. Theory contains the basic concept of a theory to real object. The relationship is expressed from the appropriate rules or operational definition. Semantic concerns the relationship of words, signs, or symbols from really so that the theory is easier to understand, realistic, and meaningful. Or discuss the symbolism or activities or physical relatives in the symbol of financial statement. People find it easier to imagine the physical activities of a company without having to directly witness the achieve. For example, the accounting equation for profit on an accrual basis, the ability to generate cash in the future. Asset, liabilities, number capital. 2. Synthetic accounting theory. Theory is formulated in the form of logical relationship in the form of rules such as language rules, mathematical rules, and so on. Discuss the measurement, recognition, and presentation of elements in financial statement and accounting structure. Syllogism is not intended to state the truth, but only to explain logical relationships such as premise 1, all extended assets have a debit balance. Premise 2, rent costs have a debit balance. Conclusion, rent costs are assets. Not all syllogism structure guarantee truth. They only describe the world of reality in the form of scientific language of theory. 3. Pragmatic accounting theory. Not all theory have a pragmatic aspect. The pragmatic relationship is related to the influence of words, symbols, and humans. Accounting is considered to have the ability to influence people's behavior, in linking theory and reality. There are three relationships in the theoretical structure as explained in Suwarjono's book above. Constellation, semantic theory is related to the expansion of phenomena, object or event, and the terms or symbols that represent them. So, this theory profits an explanation of the operational definition of accounting practice. Synthetic theory seeks to explain accounting practice and practice, how accountants will reach to certain situation or how they report certain event. Thus, this theory is related to the structure of the data collection process and financial reporting. The parametric accounting theory focus on the influence of information on change in the behavior of reporters. In other words, this theory discusses the relation of the parties target by accounting information. With the existence of accounting theory, it can provide information that will be used in various types of reports, including financial report, provide important information about financial that will be the basic for planning and strategic decision for stakeholder. Help to carry out effective method in controlling the recording and processing and financial data to be more efficient and accurate. I hope you understand what I explained. Bye!